Okay, get up. Okay. Okay, stand up with your arms up in the air.
Do it again! Do it again!
Mommy got the video.
Again!
Hi, I'm Emma, and today I'm out on the hook, and this is something that we do all the time. And today I'm going to be talking about things that we do when we're out on the hook. This is part of our boat life. When we go out on the hook, we go to a cove near our marina and we drop anchor. When the anchor gets set, we like to jump in the water and go for a swim. We just start jumping and jumping, me and my sister, and we have lots of fun doing that. And we will do it for like a very long time, and it's very fun just to jump in the water non-stop. We do it like races when we jump. It's like a fun thing that we do. We love to use our GoPro to film ourselves, and we like to take videos and pictures of us jumping into the water. Next, we like to play with water toys. We have lots of toys like frisbees and diving rings and also water guns. Those are really fun. We also have floaties that we like to sit on. When we're using our water guns, we like to sit on the floaties to attack the other person, and that's really fun. That's a big part of our boat life too. There are lots of other people, and they do lots of other fun things. They put on music and they swim around with friends, and we do that too. That's a really fun part. Hanging out with friends is a very big part of boating. We stay out on the hook until the sun starts to set, and then we cruise back to the marina at the end of the day. And that's our boat life out on the hook.